For the past month, Healthy Living with a Vision Foundation has taken you on an eye-opening journey into the power of plant-based eating, and now, it all comes together in one exciting final event. We kicked off this incredible town hall series with Dr. James Thompson, who broke down the science of why what we eat matters. Then, Dr. Ansel Johnson, an expert optometrist, connected the dots between nutrition and eye health, proving that what's on your plate impacts more than just your waistline. And let's not forget the amazing interview with Chef Dom, a master of plant-based cuisine, who inspired us all to turn simple ingredients into next-level meals. Join us on Zoom this Tuesday, February 11th at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for an unforgettable live cooking demo with Dr. Kim Battle-Miller as she prepares plant-based breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert right before your eyes. Got questions? We've got answers. We're extending this session to wrap up the series, address your burning questions, and make sure you leave with all the tools you need to make plant-based living a reality. This is your last chance to be part of this transformative experience. Don't miss it. Register now for this free event and start your year on the healthiest note possible.